Hi guys, I'm here again with a new channel with Five Nights at Freddy's. I'm going to be talking about the Five Nights at Freddy's videos. This is called Alex Panasaur Talks About Five Nights at Freddy's channel. And I should have put channel at the end. Who fucking gives a shit? This is my 8th channel. Now I know this is probably like my 10th channel, but let's continue. And so now this is going to be my channel for real, 1000% for real. Will not be deleting this channel because these are some true facts. Below, you see a 3 sign. Look at every animatronic. All those are the toy animatronics. They're discontinued. I see Mangle, Toy Freddy, Toy Bonnie's arm, Toy Chica, Toy Balloon Boy, and if I can zoom in, you can actually see the cupcake or something. But anyways, that's besides the point. What the fuck? So this is our image. This is our image. I'm still here. That was animatronic. If you guys can see it, I know it's kind of darkish. And we'll figure out the secrets in the game. So just to let you guys know, this is new. This is kind of old info that I'm taking off of other YouTubers that are talking about this. And I want to try to talk about, see if you guys believe me on this channel. So please, if you guys want to click that like button below. Yes, I am on Google, by the way. Searching this shit up. But if you guys want to see more Five Nights at Freddy's videos, please click that like button and subscribe, because I'm going to be only showing Five Nights at Freddy's videos, uploads, and everything else. Just this channel will just be Five Nights at Freddy's, nothing else on this channel, no other gaming and stuff. If you guys want to go check out my 7 other channels, I'll tell you them in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time. And also, in Five Nights at Freddy's 3, the game, the toy animatronics will not be in the game, and Foxy will probably be in the game. The actual Foxy, not the Mangle. Foxy will be in the game, probably, because Scott knows that we're fans of Foxy, and I hope we can see him in the 3rd game. So when we see him in the 3rd game, I hope you guys are happy about this video, and I'm gonna go show you guys something on the next Five Nights at Freddy's video. It is from Smike himself, so I'm gonna say this is not my video, but I'm posting it. I'm gonna show his facts on Five Nights at Freddy's, and I want you guys to leave a like. These are right. Thank you guys for watching this video. Pop a link up in the description, and please comment, like if you think this was important, or if you guys dislike it, then this is not important to you, and you give a crap about this channel. And please, we'll see you guys in more Five Nights at Freddy's videos. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, go today. I'll see you guys in the next Five Nights at Freddy's video.